What's up guys, my name is Lakshay from iGeeks blog and well, I'm here once again to solve one of your problems. See, when Apple introduced the iPhone 13 series, they brought the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max with macro mode capabilities. Now macro mode is something that all of us really want to do on our iPhones, but if you don't have a 13 Pro or a 13 Pro Max, you can't shoot in macro. Well, you can, and today I'm going to tell you how exactly. There's a crazy app that you can use on any of your iPhones and shoot in macro. There are some requirements and the name of the app is Halide. You can download Halide on your iPhones, be it the iPhone 8, the iPhone 10, the iPhone 12 as well. And you can shoot in macro and I'm going to tell you how exactly. So first of all, there is a requirement of a subscription. You can't use this app for free, although there is a 7-day free trial, but then you still have to register and you still have to buy the subscription if you want to use Halide on your iPhones. And the minimum requirement of this Halide app of shooting macro and Halide is that an iPhone 8 is required. So basically the thing is, you need to have an iPhone with a neural engine in it, and iPhone 8 is the oldest iPhone currently that has a neural engine. So this is an 8 Plus and I'm going to show you how you can shoot macro on these older iPhones. So just download Halide on your iPhones and launch the app. Now when you're inside the app, tap the autofocus button to switch to manual focus and then tap the flower icon on bottom right. So this lets you enter macro mode on any of your iPhones, and all you have to do now is line up your shot, get up close and personal with your subject, shoot in macro on any of an older iPhone, does not matter. But like I said, iPhone 8 is the minimum requirement. Now if you do have an iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max and you want to use Halide, you can still use it because this is a great camera app that offers you multiple pro level features to really, enhance your iPhone camera experience. And if you shoot macro on your iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max with Halide, you can get closer than the default native macro setting that the iPhone offers to you. So that was the easiest way to shoot macro on any of your older iPhones. Let me know in the comments down below how much you enjoyed this app, and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to iGeeks blog and turn on all notifications. I'll see you guys in the next one.